Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most profitable strategies for trading binary options. Waiting and things are too complicated here, then you're in the hellway to succeed because I'm gonna help you out. Watch this video till the end and see you for yourself, guys. And now let's begin our trading session. Today I got $50 on my balance. We are gonna trade on a 1 minute time frame as usual and open position for the maximum deposit amount. All the currency pairs have already been picked, and let's also choose some indicators. The first one is the Bollinger Bands and of course the RSI. Set the period to 13 on the Bollinger Bands and the duration to. Let's move to the RSI, set the period to 13 as well. The overbought zone to the oversold zone to 20. Okay. Basically, this setup is gonna work for us today. The main indicators is Bollinger Bands and the RSI is supporting one and helps to specify trading signals. So let's get started and find the better currency pair. So let's find the most profitable payout rate. Well, we see the pullback here, and I think we should open a short position. The touch has happened here, and the price should probably go up, but I don't think so. I believe the price will hit the support zone first. And after this strong pullback, by the way, the local high was updated, the price should go lower down to the zone, because previously the price was moving in the upper part of the channel and now it should continue going lower. That's why we opened the short position here. We didn't open a counter trend trade. Instead, we are playing with the trend here and we already see good breakout. There are 10 seconds left before the closing. And let's just watch the price movement. And yep, the first position had been closed in profit, guys. Nice trade entry level. Actually, it's not exactly what I expected. But anyway, we are in the profits and that's main things. There is no stopping here. Let's find the next currency pair. Here I'd rather open a long position. Let's point out the workspace. The local low was updated, the touch did happen here. The price started going up. It bounced to this level. We observe the upward dynamics on the RSI and the tiny correction seems to have happened here, and I believe the price will continue moving to the upside. We open following the counter trend line. If we draw it, then here is, I mean, we didn't open with the trend, and I think this straight entry is gonna play out, and I am expecting to see the breakout at the end, and the price should go to the upside. There are less than 10 seconds left before the closing, and let's just watch the price movement. There we go. Another position has been closed with a profit. Let's update the trade amount and refresh the page. And we got it. So let's carry on trading, guys, and find the next currency pair. So let's open a short position here. I'll point out the workspace. In this case, we don't open according to the counter trend line. So here it is, we open with the current trend now from this local high, so we count on this. we can see that more upward mood remains on the market. According to the RSI, the price moves slightly lower the 50 mark. Basically, we see some kind of reversal from the level 50. Also, there is no touch of the upper boundary of the channel, and it tells us that we are gonna expect some downward dynamics. And the breakout is imminent at the end, so I hope we are gonna end up in profits. Let's watch, guys. We've end up in with zero. The price is going to hold at this level for a while, so no big deal. Let's continue our trading session. We will find the better trade entry. We see that upward dynamics prevails here, really strong one. That's why we open a long position here. I think we can't lose here. The local high is about to be updated. The price is heading to the upside. I will point out the workspace. Previously, the downward dynamics prevailed here, and after updating of the local low, after the touch of the low boundary here, the price started going up. The previous local high is approximately at this level. I think the price will definitely break it out, and after this future breakout we will see the continuation of the downward movement, but now we open a long. This is not mistake. The breakout has already happened, a really good one. Look at this high volatility candle. There are around 10 seconds left before the closing, and let's just watch the price movement. Another position is in a profit, guys. As you can see, there was nothing complicated. Let's update the trade amount and find the next trading signal. We carry on our trading session. Here the touch seems to be happening, but I should open the short here, but now it's too late. The breakout has happened. Here is also a low volatility movement. Let's take our time. Let's change the RSI settings. I think this number are gonna work better. So let's count on the setup. I don't see anything good so far. Well, the touch is happening here, and let's play ahead of the market, guys, and open a long position. I'll point out the workspace, and let's take a closer look at this price range. First of all, there is the touch of the support zone, also the touch of the low boundary of the channel, which is buy signal. So we follow the rules and open a long position here. And after that, let's watch the outcome. What's gonna happen next? If the candles goes very high, then it is a good signal for us. A huge breakout is gonna happen. And right is, guys, massive breakout. This is a good signal for us. The position has been opened correctly, following the signal, and basically it's gonna be in any case. Let's change the trade amount and continue the trading session. Find the next currency pair. Here is the peak. We have to open a short position here. I think we are gonna make it on 1 minute time frame. I'll point this very zone and let's analyze it. This is a resistance zone. Previously the price broke it down here. The touch of the resistance zone is happening here as well as the touch of the upper boundary of the channel. And basically the downward dynamics should follow up, and if we look at the RSI, there is some kind of reversal shows up. That's why we open the short position. There are 10 seconds left before the closing, and let's see what happens. Another position had been closing profits. I'll refresh the page. So we are good, okay. And let's continue our trading session. I wanna find another good trade entry. Yeah, we open a short. Oh, you made it, guys. It was close. I didn't want to miss the change because this is very easy trade entry. Here we go, guys. Let's point out the massive support zone. Basically, this level is very strong. The local low is not gonna be updated here because the previous one was way higher, and they tell us that the best option here is to open a short position, and we can't ignore the downward dynamics on the RSI. And after this pullback, I think the price should go lower. And yep, guys, that's exactly what happened here. We were lucky to get such trade entry. A few more seconds, guys. And yep, another position has ended up in profit, guys. We got $2,000 on the balance, and we are not gonna stop here. Let's continue trading session and find the next currency pair. And let's find the better trade entry. Here we opened two long position. We are a little bit unlucky. We should have opened a little early, but it's fine. No big deal, guys. Because look at here, guys. The updating of the local low did happen here, and the resistance zone seems to be forming. Then we see the touch of the zone, then rebound, and I wanted to open the position right here, but we were a little late, guys, and I think that after this huge correction, the rebound is imminent. The correction should take place. Here also the touch of the oversold zone did happen, and this is a really good signal. Basically, the breakout is gained moments. I didn't even expect that dynamics, so look, it wasn't a mistake. We are in profits. And there is no stopping here. Let's open a few more trades, guys. Let's continue analyzing and check what do we got here. Look, guys, we open our short position, guys. I think it's not that vital that we opened here or lower. I'm expecting to see the breakdown at the end. The touch of the support zone has happened here, and we see this huge correction to the drop in the market, and I think he's not going to give up that easy, guys. And this is kind of the whole situation. The price goes sideways, after which it should continue going down. That's why the best option here is to open a short position, because anyway the trend is downwards, and opening a short really makes sense if you see similar situation on the chart. And a few more. Oh, okay, and our position had been closed in profits. We are not gonna slow down here. Let's open our final position in order to consolidate our gains, guys. So let's continue analyzing. We are gonna find the better currency pair with the most profitable payout rate. Let's take a look at this one. We see the rejection here. The local low was updated. I guess let's open our short position, guys, and point out the workspace. Let me explain the principle. I want to point out this important price range. The price touches it here and the price moves within the price corridor. The local low took place here, and then the correction to the upside followed up, and that we see the touch of the upper boundary of the channel. And considering that the price moves within the price range and we don't see the crossing of the overbought zone on the RSI, so it indicates that the downward dynamics prevails and opening a short position is the best option here. And we already see a huge breakdown, guys. One more second left, and our position is in a profit, guys. We got $11,600 on the balance, and that's what we've managed to earn today. Let's move on to the withdrawal right away. So, and let's withdraw, I guess, $11,600. Press the continue button. And that's it, guys. The transaction is being processed. I will attach the screen where it's done as usual, guys. That's what we've managed to get today. Thank you guys for watching. Share your thoughts on the strategy in the comments.